So a lot of persons are seeking to build their immune systems. And today I'm sitting right beside a very powerful medicinal plant. It's called Guinea Hen weed, and it's very popular here in Jamaica. It also goes by other names such as garlic weed or gully root. And Jamaicans oftentimes use the leaves and the root to make tea, quote unquote bush tea. And it's a powerful immune system builder. I'm going to be showing you the correct way to make this tea using freshly harvested leaves, and I'm also going to be sharing 5 health benefits that can be derived from drinking this tea. Stay tuned, I'll be right back. We're the product of what we eat. Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Earth's Medicine, the channel that introduces you to the healing wonders of Mother Earth with a Jamaican flavor. So if you're new here, you may want to consider subscribing. Number 1, it contains 2 phytochemicals that have the ability to fight and kill cancer cells. And the amazing thing is that while it's doing that, it does not destroy healthy cells. Number 2, it's very rich in antioxidants. Number 3, it can be used to treat the symptoms of respiratory issues such as influenza, the flu, and pneumonia. Number 4, it can be used to treat digestive issues such as flatulence and bloating. And number 5, it can be used to lower blood glucose levels. So there you have it, 5 health benefits that may be derived from drinking Guinea Hen weed tea. Number 1, do not take Guinea Hen weed tea if you are pregnant. Number 2, do not use plants that grow wildly because you don't know if it has been contaminated with harmful chemicals. Number 3, only use plants that grow organically. Number 4, it contains blood thinning properties. So if you're on any kind of blood thinner, then you need to consult with your healthcare provider before you drink Guinea Hen weed tea. And number 5, overdosing can lead to toxicity. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment and share with family and friends, and ask them to share with others as well. And if you would like to see similar content in the future, then please subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications so that you will be alerted whenever there are new uploads, which will be twice weekly on Sundays and Thursdays. So until next time, one love from the beautiful island of Jamaica. Bye guys.